A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida, at 6:38 p.m. on April 22nd, 2025, effective until 8:38 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Liam Smith, a black male, 9 years old, 4 feet tall, 90 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 17,700th block of Northwest 14th Avenue in Miami Gardens, Florida, who was last seen wearing a light blue school uniform shirt, dark blue pants, and black shoes. Liam has a scab under his eye. The child may be in the company of Tamika Budwa, a black female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, unknown weight, black hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2024 black Honda Civic, Florida tag number RJVL88. They may be traveling northbound. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Miami Gardens Police Department at 305-474-2100 or 911-Flamber.